हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 92 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। बुक 1 ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइज है और टॉपिक है prepositions. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. A child is not able to distinguish good from evil. Death does not distinguish between the rich and the poor. Sir Reynold Ross is distinguished for his medical researches. Punch is distinguished by his hunchback. Next है, on account of his age, he is disqualified from competing. Ill health disqualified the body for labor and the mind for study. Innocence is not proof against scandal. He was discharged as there was no proof of his guilt. He has no good cause for complaint. Darkness was the cause of losing his way. True charity does not consist in discriminate as giving. Brass consists of copper and zinc. I am not concerned with, or here we can write about also, about his affairs. I am not concerned with him in that business. He was much concerned at hearing the sad news. His parents are naturally concerned for or about his safety. He parted from his friends in high spirits, parted with his property and went on pilgrimage to Dwarka, acted from fear. He acted upon my suggestion. He acted under compulsion. He succeeded to the throne of his uncle. He succeeded in his object. He agreed to my proposal. He agreed with me on chat question. They could not agree among themselves. The patient, now free from danger, is free with his money. The goods were passed free of duty. I prevailed upon him. Join our union. He prevailed over. Sorry, the sentence is a little bit mixed in it. I'm not able to read. Custom prevails among the Todas. I was angry with him for lying to me. The city is well provided with corn. He should provide against risk of fire by ensuring our goods. He has provided for his children. The police is entrusted with the enforcement of law and order. The children were entrusted to the care of their uncle. The addition of Ivanhoe adapted for Indian boys. The form and structure of nests are adapted to the wants and habits of species. Many Urdu plays are adapted from English. They are all slaves to convention. No man should be slave of his passions. Is blind one eye. Are you blind in or of your own interest? He is blind in or of one eye. Are you blind to your own interest? There is no exception to the rule. All the ministers were present at the function with the exception of Mr. Smith. Took exception against the presence of an outsider. His creditors became impatient for payment. Impatient at delay, he knocked at the door rather loudly. The people become impatient under the burden of heavy taxation. ये है आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 92। अच्छी लगी सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 93।